YouTube, welcome back to another video, guys. I have been so locked in on TikTok that I've kind of lost track of YouTube a little bit, and I apologize for that. YouTube has been my bread and butter. You guys don't want to hear that because you just want to see what the content's about, and I get that. I just want to take 30 seconds of your day, of your time, and thank you guys. Appreciate all the support. We're almost to 7,000. I don't know when this video is going to go live, but we're almost to 7,000. Dude, it's sweet. I appreciate you guys. If this video helps you in any possible way, just please like, subscribe, comment. That's all you got to do. I don't want your money. I don't want anything else. If it helps you, that's all you got to do, those three things, and that helps me tremendously. This is my daily driver. This is a 98 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you guys how to do front brakes on this, and it's going to save you a pile of money, and you can do it at your house. It's going to be the easiest thing, I promise. Nothing's going to be challenging. I'm going to show you the socket size. I'm going to show you everything you need to do. Let's get into it. Yes, the Civic was in a wreck. I didn't do it. Somebody else did. Jack under it. There is a jack stand under there as well. Guys, first step, let's take the wheels off. We're going to go a little up and beyond for you guys and give you some real time here. 19 millimeter, guys. You do not need an impact. Ew, I hate spiders. If you guys see that, I hate spiders so bad. You do not need an impact. They just make it a little nicer. But there is nothing that is going to tell you that you need an impact. Guys, I hate spiders so bad. So I'm going to pull this wheel off here. All right, let me pause the video, get some sockets here. First step, wheels off, guys, half the battle. All right, guys, so the guy actually stripped out the top caliper bolt and he put a helicoil in there. We're gonna leave that like that. To get this off, you should be at 12 millimeter for the top and bottom, and then just get a little screwdriver. Don't scar the rotor up at all. Like, you just wanna pry these out just a little bit. It's not gonna take a bunch of force at all. There's gonna be your first pad. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be about no effort, but I'm not replacing the rotors. The rotors look fine. The pads, probably getting a little bit of noise from this back right here. So that's what I wanna fix. So now I'm going to pop these metal clips out on top, bottom, back here. If you need me to zoom in a little bit, I can do that for you guys. And then all I'm gonna do is pop new pads in, but I do got a fancy tool in this video I'm gonna show you guys too. TikTok, we're doing brakes on the Civic here. Strip this out. Guys, this tool, I don't care what y'all say about TikTok shop. Dude, I got this for the size of my truck, but I know you guys are used to like throwing on, what am I trying to say? Like a C-clamp here to push this in. Dude, you guys quit sleeping on this tool. Dude, completely flushed in. Got a little mark here, switch it back. Dude, guys, dude, brakes made easy. This is the best tool. I'm gonna link it in the video. I don't need to say nothing else. You guys, if you guys do the stupid little C-clamp thing, you know what that does. And this is meant for the size of my truck. All right, guys, unfortunately, this car came with pads, so I only got, they didn't come with new metal clips for them, which is kind of unfortunate, but it's not the end of the world here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pop these back in here, just like so. And guys, this is stuff you can do at your house. I'm trying to show you as live as humanly possible. The back's probably gonna get a little challenging here. By challenging, I mean visual, not as far as like difficulty. There we go, just like so. Okay. Not a big fan of this helicoil up top here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Wouldn't recommend that, but it's what we're working with here. So, drop down. Yes, I got the work Crocs on, guys. That is my preferred choice of shoe to work in the garage. Probably not the smartest, but it is what it is. All right, take our little, again, you don't need this, just makes it a little nice. Okay. snug this up with the correct torque spec here on our little Harbor Freight Johnny. Again, guys, you're gonna have a 12mm. All right, top's torqued. Put the wheel back on. You guys just saved yourself, I think shops charge like $200 per wheel. Keep that in mind, guys, that this video just helped you save $200, potentially more than that, because if you're doing one side, 9 out of 10 times you're doing the other. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna toss the wheel back on. I'm gonna torque it back down to spec. Remember, you're gonna have a 19mm for your wheels. You're gonna have a 12mm for your brakes. And then that's just if you're doing pads. Now this is just strictly pads. Rotors, guys, you just would have backed that whole caliper off. It's not the end of the world. It's perfectly okay. And you're gonna run into roadblocks like I did. I was not expecting that to be helicoiled. It was. We kept moving, and now it's got new pads on it. Guys, remember one thing. Support those who support you. And if you have any questions about this video, drop below. Let me help you out. Guys, until next time, support those who support you. Appreciate everything.